Today we're featuring a 2015 Honda Civic LX. It's got 29,000 miles on it. It's crystal black pearl in color. It is a certified Honda, okay, so it's going to give you some extra warranty there, but it is a Carfax one owner. Go ahead and walk around the vehicle here with you. We'll start on the driver's side. Everything looks really good there. Alright, it is equipped with the rear backup camera. Rear of the Civic is in great shape. Make our way down the passenger side. Everything looks really good. Once again, it's a 2015 certified Honda Civic, 29,000 miles on it. Let's go ahead and take a look on the inside. Alright, got the black on black door panels, power windows, power locks, power mirrors. Alright, it does have black cloth seats. Driver's seat's in good shape. It does have the keyless entry key fob as well. Look in the console here. It does have your USB port plug in there. Okay. Passenger seat cloth looks good. No problems there. Alright, it is an automatic. You got power outlet down there, auxiliary plug in, your climate control area here, AM FM CD player. Alright, then you're going to have a display screen right here. It will have your backup camera there, mileage and whatnot, and we'll show you that in a second. Alright, it does have steering wheel audio controls and Bluetooth, and then got your Econ button right here. Let's go ahead and take a look at the mileage. Okay, it's got 29,312 miles. Alright, go ahead and engage the backup camera for you. Alright, then I'll pan back a little bit. It does have the digital speedometer. Everything's kind of lit up really nice in these Civics. Once again, it does have the AM FM CD and then your climate control area here. Let's go ahead and take a look in the back seat. AC's blowing cold, no problems with the air conditioner. Alright, back seat cloth's in good shape. No problems at all back here. Go ahead and give you the driver's eye view of the dash and the layout. Alright, let's go ahead and take a look at the trunk space. Alright, it's got the nice protector mat back here. Spare tire down there. Go ahead and step to the side so you can see the depth of just how much room you got. Let's go ahead and take a look at the wheels and tires. 15-inch steel wheels. Got the nice hubcaps on there. Continental tires. Tires are in great shape. Plenty of tread. Brand new set of tires there. Alright, once again, it's a 2015 Honda Civic LX. It's a certified Honda, 29,000 miles on it. It's got a Carfax one owner. This thing's in great shape inside and out. Come down, check it out, take a test drive, and thanks for watching the video.